Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the most advanced machines shaping the future. In today's video, we take a close look at the 2026 Su-58 jet, a next-generation stealth fighter designed to redefine modern aerial combat. This aircraft represents a bold step forward in speed, stealth, and smart warfare technologies. The 2026 Su-58 features an aggressive stealth-focused airframe built to reduce radar and infrared signatures. Its blended fuselage, sharp angles, and internal weapons bays help the jet remain difficult to detect in contested airspace. Advanced radar-absorbing materials are used across the body, improving survivability against modern air defense systems. At the heart of the Su-58 is a new-generation engine designed for higher thrust and improved fuel efficiency. This allows the jet to achieve supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. Enhanced thrust vectoring also delivers exceptional maneuverability, giving the Su-58 a clear edge in close-range aerial engagements. The cockpit of the 2026 Su-58 is built around cutting-edge avionics and artificial intelligence support. A powerful AESA radar, combined with 360-degree sensor fusion, provides pilots with unmatched situational awareness. Smart onboard systems assist in threat detection, targeting, and mission management, reducing pilot workload during complex combat operations. The Su-58 is equipped to carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons within its internal bays. This includes long-range missiles, precision-guided bombs, and hypersonic weapons. Its modular design allows rapid configuration changes, making it suitable for air superiority, strike missions, and electronic warfare roles. Designed for network-centric warfare, the 2026 Su-58 can share real-time data with drones, ground forces, and other aircraft. This capability transforms it into a command node in the sky, enhancing coordinated strikes and defensive operations. Its long range and stealth make it ideal for deep penetration missions. The 2026 Su-58 jet stands as a symbol of the future of air combat, blending stealth, speed, intelligence, and firepower into one formidable platform. As military aviation continues to evolve, the Su-58 represents a powerful response to the demands of next-generation warfare. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more insights into the world's most advanced machines.